Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Oren. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes with 2 circles. And then add a line inside across each eye. And then let's add a curve down underneath. And color both of the pupils in black. Now let's move underneath the eyes and let's draw a curve across for the mouth. Next, we're going to hop to the sides and we're going to draw the sides of the headphones. Next to each eye, let's draw a rectangle going down. And then next to the rectangle, let's draw a curve going outwards. Now before we finish drawing the rest of the headphones, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the headphones and let's draw a curve across. And then another one underneath. Now let's move in and let's draw a curve on top of each eye for the eyebrows. And then in the center, let's draw an angle down and up. And one more next to it on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move up and let's finish drawing the headphones. Let's draw a curve up on top of the head and bring it back down on the other side. And then another curve in the same way on top. And that's it for the headphones. Next, let's draw the antenna coming out from the head. On the top left of the head, let's draw 2 angles up and continue them on the other side of the headphones. And the same on the right side. And then at the end of each one, let's draw a circle. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath, let's draw 2 angles down and out. And a line across at the bottom. And that's it for Oren. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!